Okay, meron po tayong corner lot, nag-iisa lang, direct to owner, na 340 plus yung kanyang square meter lot. Ayan po, pag hindi pa po ito nakuha agad ng buyer, unahan nyo na po. Ayan po, cash basis only, 18,000 per square meter, CGT included, title transfer and other fees, shouldered by the buyer na yun. Ang kay owner lang dito, clean title, ay CGT lang. Ganda corner, facing sunrise, nasa 340 square meter lot. Contact me right now guys, Colinas Verdes, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan lang yan. 6 po ang swimming pool amenities dito. Marami po ditong mga celebrities and politicians na nag-i-invest, nagpapatayo ng kanilang mga mansions dahil napakaganda ng location at secured po at non-flooded ang Colinas Verdes. Ayan po ang magiging neighbor nyo dito guys.